What is that? Go say hi to him, Jay. Go say hi to that bird. Go see him. Is that the same bird from your party? Oh my God. Go say hi to him. Go. Go say hi to him. Go, kid. He's an angry bird.
Are you filming that?
I am, yeah.
Alright, come on, kids, back up. Come on, back up. That's the bomb bird. Yeah, he's called the bomb bird. Come on, let the angry bird come in the back, kids. Come on, let him come in the back. Oh, he's coming from me.
Hello?
He's coming from me.
Hold on 1 second, hold on.
Go get him.
Third out of plane with the end. Don't you like that bird?
Okay. Hey, take it easy. He'll leave. You guys gotta be nice to him.
He'll leave.
No, that's the bird. That's the bomb bird. Here, let me see your eyes. Come over here. Hey, what's this?
Joey, leave them alone, okay? Joey looks good.
That's how he can
Bless
see
him.
through his eyes. Yeah, he came to see you guys. Okay, man, thanks. Appreciate it.
Hello.
Hey, you guys can't beat me to Angry Bird. He's gonna leave. He's gonna fly away right now.
Oh, awesome. Cool. Oh, awesome.
Oh!
Okay, baby. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Don't let him take him! Don't let him take him!